15 is going to end with 5. It's going to be 675 centimeter square area of one tile. Okay.
Okay.
Area of one tile is 675 centimeters square. So area of 3000 tiles we need to find.
So
Which is basically area of the floor.
675 multiplied by 3000.
Yeah. Calculate this.
Um, 1 million, I guess, and then
Not 1 minute. See, 15, 21, 22, 20, 20, 25, 000. So this many centimeters square.
okay. Give me a minute to write it down.
But this is not the final answer. We have to convert this into meter square. Why? Because they are telling us cost of polishing is ₹4 per meter square. But over here we have it in centimeter square. So convert this into meter square. See, how do we convert it? See, 1 centi, or you can say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, right? This one we
Yeah.
know. So
Yeah.
if you say 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter, right?
Yeah.
So 1 meter square is equal to 1 followed by 4 zeros centimeter square. Okay, so the relation between meter square and centimeter square is this.
Okay.
So if 10,000 centimeter cube is cube nahi, square is 1 meter square, then this much 2025 000 centimeter square will be equal to how much? This will be equal to, you cross multiply na, this will be equal to 2025 000 divided by 10 and then followed by 3 zeros. Are you getting
Wait.
it?
No.
Which part did you not understand?
Like when we cross multiply.
Hey, this is something we already know. Unitary method. When you want to find, see, I wrote centimeter square and like on one side of the, like if you think of it as meter, as a column, okay, think of it as a table.
Like I
On
understand,
one
but
side,
why did we divide it by 1000? Sorry, 10,000.
telling. See, what you do here is you just make an X. Sorry, you make an X, and the numbers on the opposite ends of the X, this one and this one, they are both connected by the same string, you can say. So this will be multiplied with this. Okay, getting it? This is why it's
Yeah.
called cross multiplication. And this will be multiplied with this, whatever is over here. So this is, we don't have anything over here yet, so we'll just write it as X or whatever. You can write it as X. So your X is going to be equal to, or you can say we are multiplying both the green things. 10,000 into x is equal to the pink things multiplied with each other into 1. That is how we got this thing. X is equal to 2025 triple zero divided by 10,000. Hey, but this is very basic stuff. Okay. Over here, I have just shown you how we got it. In your exam, you're not going to be sitting and doing this entire thing. Okay. In your exam, you're just going to look at this. You will skip the entire part and you will skip this entire thing, and you will skip this, you will skip this, and you will just put this over here, meter square. What have we done over here? In your imagination, just imagine that you are cross multiplying. So what you are doing is you are multiplying the 2025 triple zero with the 1, and whatever is left without a partner, that will go in your denominator. Understanding?
Okay.
Hmm. So this is basically how we convert this. We have converted it into meter square. Um, Now we are gonna cancel out these three zeros with these three zeros. So we are left with 2025 by 10, which is equal to 202.5 meters square. Okay. So basically the area of 3000 tiles, or the area of the floor, is 202.5 meters square. Now we can easily calculate the cost of polishing.
Okay.
Cost of polishing is, again, for 1 meter square, it is rupees 4.
What?
So for 202.5 meters square, it will be how much?
Um. 202.5. They
Hmm,
multiplied by 4.
4, right? So again, here what you have done, here you have multiplied this and this, cross multiplication you have done. And whatever was left out, this guy, 1 meter square, he didn't have a partner. So you divided this entire thing by 1. We haven't written divided by 1 because again, it's the same thing. There's no need to write divided by 1. So this is essentially what the unitary method is. We use it everywhere. Okay. So now find it out.
It's
How much this is
8
going to be.
810.
810. Okay, good. So this is going to be rupees 810. So this is the cost of polishing the floor. And please remember how we got the conversion wala part, okay? Many
Okay.
students often make this mistake. They think, okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square is going to be 100 centimeters square. This is wrong. This is wrong. You can't just put a square over here like this. You can't do that. You have to square both the sides of the equation. You have to square the entire equation. So when you square the entire equation, it becomes 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeters square. So that is how we get the conversion. Done.
No. Okay, then.
Okay. Next question. Read it.
Mohan wants to buy a trapezium-shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters and the perpendicular distance
Meters. Is it
between
meters?
their square and the perpendicular
Hmm.
distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter. Find the length of the side along the river.
Hmm. So they are telling you that this side along the river. So this the side which is the side which is along the river. That one is twice of the side along the road. So if this one is x, then this one is going to be 2x. As simple as that. Got it?
Okay.
So one more thing they are telling you is that the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides, which is basically we write it as h height, that is 100 meters. We are
Okay.
supposed to find x and 2x basically. So we know that area is half into
Uh, half into
we have
height multiplied by
hmm,
sum of parallel sides.
parallel sides, right? Height into sum of parallel sides. The parallel sides are what? 2x and x, right?
Yeah.
So here we have area, which is 10500 is equal to half into what is h?
H is 100.
Into 2x plus x.
Yeah.
How much?
3x.
3x. So then we keep 3x over there itself and everything else. So this thing will become 50, right? Now everything else we will take to the other side of the equation. It will become 10500 divided by 50 is equal to 3x. So then calculate what is 3x. So your 3x comes out to be 210. So x will be 210 by 3, which is 70 meters. So if x is 70 meters, so 2x is going to be how much? We have to find, what do we have to find? We have to find the length of the side which is along the river, meaning this longer side. The longer side is 2x. Got it?
Yeah.
How much?
2 multiplied by 70, so 140 meters.
140 meters. Note it down.
Okay, done.
Next question. Read the question.
Wait a second.
Yes, Hiba, what happened? I'm reading question number 9.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagon surface.
Octagonal surface. So this figure is given. Please draw the figure. Octagon means it has 8 sides, right?
Yeah.
So they are telling the top surface is in the shape of a regular octagon, blah blah. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Basically, you have to just find the area of this surface. So what they are saying is from here to here, let me mark it. From here to here, it is 11 meters. From here to here, just a minute. This is 4 meters. Regular octagon. It says in the uh, question, it is saying it is a regular octagon. What's the meaning of regular? If you say regular octagon, regular hexagon, um, regular pentagon, what is meaning of regular?
It is wait, I forgot.
Regular means all the sides are of the same length. You can say equilateral.
Yeah.
Okay, all the sides are of the same length. And over here, they are telling you that this one side, they are telling you it is 5 meters, right? The side length is 5 meters. So if one side is 5 meters, that means every side is 5 meters, right?
Yeah.
So every single side is gonna be 5 meters. So if you just take a look at this, whoops, take a look at this portion. What shape is this? Hiba, what shape is the yellow
It is
portion?
a trapezium.
It is a trapezium, right? Sorry. And so So if this is the pink portion, if that is 11 meters, then from here to here it is also 11 meters.
Yeah.
And so this portion, this trapezium, is essentially the same as this trapezium.
Yeah.
So our octagon is made up of three different shapes. It is made up of, can you tell me which shapes those are? Two I have
Trapezium
already told.
and rectangle
Sorry, yes. It
and
is two trapeziums and one rectangle,
yeah.
right? Two trapeziums, which are the exact same dimensions, and then one rectangle. So area of octagon is equal to area of two trapeziums plus area of rectangle. Acha, area of two trapeziums, can we write it as 2 times area of one trapezium? Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't write this portion, okay? Just
Okay.
directly skip to the next one. Plus area of rectangle. So 2 times area of trapezium. Can you tell me what is area of trapezium
Um.
again?
Wait. Half into
Hmm.
height into a multiplied by b. Sorry, a plus b.
A plus B, right? Okay. Plus now area of rectangle. What is area of rectangle? Length into breadth?
Yeah.
Length into breadth. So let's, for this 2 and 2 get cancelled, okay? So now h, how much is h? H means the height between, the distance between the two parallel
4,
sides. What? 4 multiplied by a plus b. What are the two parallel sides? The length of the two parallel sides.
5 and
And
5. No, 5 and
no,
x.
parallel sides. 5 and 11.
Oh, yeah, yeah, sorry.
5 plus 11 plus. Now length into breadth of the rectangle. Look at that white rectangle in the middle. What is the length and
Uh,
breadth?
Length is 11,
Hmm.
breadth is 5.
Hmm.
Breadth.
So 4
4
multiplied by 5
into
plus 11 is
55. Sorry. 5 plus 11 is 16. So 4 multiplied by
hmm.
16 is 64.
Hmm.
Then 11
And
into 5, 55.
hmm.
6.
119 square. Is this clear?
Yeah. Can you give me a minute to just.
Yeah. Please also check the answer at the back, okay? Just in case we might have made any calculation error.
Okay.
Hmm. Done?
Okay, then.
Okay, next, let's read the 10th question. Read the 10th question, just I'm coming in a minute, okay? 10th question.
Okay. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown.
Read it, Hiba.
There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it in two different ways. Find the
Hmm.
area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area?
Hmm. So look at both the ways. What is the difference between Jyoti's way and Kavita's way? Hmm?
Uh, like Jyoti, she like cut it in half, I guess.
Okay. What are the two shapes that are being formed in Jyoti's diagram?
Uh, I it is a trapezium, I guess.
Yeah, it's a trapezium. And what about Kavita's diagram?
Rectangle, sorry, triangle and square.
Triangle and square. Is it a square? Yeah, it's a square. So uh, try to find the area in the first case, Hiba. Just a minute. Hmm. How can we find it using Jyoti's way?
Uh, Area of trapezium.
What is the area of trapezium? This trip, like, what are the different measurements that we have over here? See, you can think of it like this. So we are gonna find the area of one trapezium and we're gonna multiply that by 2. Okay. So since
Yeah.
it is with this one from here to here, it is given as 15. It is given as 15. So from here to here, it's gonna be half of 15, right?
Yeah.
Half of 15. So it's gonna be 15 by 2. Now from here to here, this one, we don't need to find this one over, by the way. We just have to find the parallel sides, the parallel sides and the distance between them. So this one is 15 and this one is given as, from here to here, it is given as 30.
Okay.
Sorry, it is given as 30. So this one is 30. So area of trapezium, it is equal to half into sum of parallel sides, or you can say half into height into sum of parallel sides, which is area of, this is area of one trapezium. So half into, how much is the height?
Height
Yeah,
is uh 15 meters.
15 by 2, bachche, 15 by 2. We've written 15 by 2 na. See,
Why is it 15 by 2?
I explained it just now. From here to here, it is 15. The entire base of the pentagon, look at the diagram which is given on the very left. Okay,
Oh, yeah,
that
yeah, yeah,
one
I know.
is 15. So half of it, because we are dividing the entire pentagon into exact half, two equal halves. So this one is going to be 15 by 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so 15 by 2, that is the height, into a plus b, which is
15,
15 plus
30.
hmm, This is area of one trapezium. So let's write it. So area of two trapeziums, meaning area of pentagon is equal to area of two trapeziums is equal to twice of half into 15 by 2 into 15 plus 30 is how much? 45. 45. So how much do we get? 675 by 2. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So this is going to be how much? Let's just leave it as 675 by 2 itself. Okay. Done. Do it till here. Then we'll move on
Yeah,
to
it's
the
done.
other. Hmm. Done.
It's done. Yeah.
Okay. So then Kavita's diagram. Kavita's method. One second. Kavita's method. So what she did is she had, you can think of it like this. Okay. She divided it like this. So this is a square. Oh, it doesn't look like a square. Wait a minute. Now it looks like a square. So this is a square. This is a triangle. And can you tell me, so this is again a square, from here to here it is 15 meters. From here to here it is 15 meters. So this is a square. But the triangle, can you tell me what is the area of a triangle?
Um,
It is
it was
half
like
into
half into,
base into height.
yeah, base into height.
What is the base and what is the height?
Base is base is 15.
Very good. Base is from here
15.
to here, 15. And height is how
Height
much?
is also 15.
Very good. Height is also 15, because in the question it is given to us that from the very top to the very bottom it is 30. So if from here to here it is given as 15, and the remaining portion has to be 15 itself.
15.
Sorry. So let's find the area of the pentagon using this. Area of pentagon is equal to area of triangle plus area of square. Area of triangle is half into base into height, and then area of square is side into side, or you can say a square, however you want to write it. This is half into base is 15, height is 15 plus side is again 15 and side is again 15. So this is, you can say, half into 15 square plus again 15 square.
15.
So 15 square is 225 by 2. 225 only, na? 15 square,
Yeah.
yeah. So 15 square by 2, which is 225 by 2, plus 15 square, which is again 225. So how much is this gonna be? 225 plus 450 by 2, which is 675 by 2. Okay.
Okay.
They're saying, can you suggest some other way of finding its area?
Um.
You can think about this, okay? Think about
Okay.
some other way that we can find its area. Now let's come to the next question. Diagram of a picture frame is given. This is 28. This is 24. And then there is I hope you're drawing the figure.
Yeah.
So from here to here it's 20. And from here to here it's 16. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is the same. So each section means this portion. So, okay. So imagine this is a wooden frame. Okay. So here you're going to have the picture. This is going to be the picture part of it. So we don't want the area of the the picture. We want the area of the frame. So the frame meaning, let's say if this frame was made of wood, then you have over here one trapezium, another trapezium, third trapezium, and fourth trapezium. So you have 4 trapeziums over here.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to find the area of these trapeziums. So see, area of the first trapezium and the second trapezium is going to be the same. Area of the third one is going to be the same as the area of the fourth one. So let's start finding. I'm just going to clear this. Now look at this. We want to find, look at this one, okay? This trapezium, the right one, the one on the right. So we need to find the area of a trapezium, we need half into sum of parallel sides into height, right? Sum of the parallel sides. So parallel sides 20 and 28, that we know it is given. But what about the height? Meaning, what is the, I'm just going to erase this. What is the height? The distance between the two parallel sides. How much is it? Hmm?
Um. I don't know.
Yeah, look at the picture. Think about it. How will you find this distance, this length. Look at the entire picture. Don't just focus on this portion. Look at the entire picture and tell me if you're finding any hints.
1 meter.
1 meter? How? Bache, they're all in centimeter. How will this small width be 1 meter?
1 centimeter.
How 1 centimeter? How did you come to that conclusion? Hiba dear, look at this. Look at the red portion. From here to till the end of it, it is 24. Till here, it is 16. So obviously, this portion will be 24 minus 16, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Understood how?
No.
You didn't understand how? Okay. Hiba, the similar kind of question we did in previous year also. And in that also you were getting stuck. So listen to this very carefully and get this stuck in your head, okay? Uh, just remember it very carefully. See, if I say that this, I have a stick, let's say, and okay, forget about a stick. Let's say this is your room. This is your room, okay? Uh, this is your room. The bed, there is your bed is over here, from here to here. This is your bed. The length, look at just this wall. I am talking about only this wall of your room, okay? Clear?
Okay.
So your bed occupies this entire wall, of the room. This is the top view of the room, by the way, don't get confused. This entire wall is, let's say, 5 meters. Hmm?
Okay.
5 meters is too much. Wait. Let's say it is 4 meters. And your
Okay.
bed is occupying, let's say, 3 meters in the 3 meter space it is occupying. Then can you tell me how much space is left? How much is this space? How much is this length?
6 meters.
But if this is 6 meters, then 3 plus 6 is going to be, the total length is going to be 9, no?
1 meter.
1 meter. Okay. Now let me change this. Let me change this. Let's say the wall is 7 meters and your bed is occupying 5 meters. Can you tell me how much space is left?
2 meters.
So how are you doing this? What calculation are you doing in your mind?
A 5 plus something that gives 7.
Yeah, so basically 7 minus 5, right? Yes,
Yeah.
that is what you are doing. The same thing, can you look at this and tell me that now this much is 24, okay? Till here it is 24 and till here it is 16. So what all portion is left behind? This portion is left behind, this one and this one.
Yeah.
And they are telling us that the width on each side,
4
it is the
meters.
same. Yeah, very good. So this one is going to be x and this one is also going to be x. Why? Because in the question they are telling us that all of the width of each of the sections, the width meaning x, this is the width, how wide it is. This is the width. So the width is the same. No matter where you look, the width is the same. So that we have taken as x. Okay. So on this side, if it is x, then on this side also it will be x. So then you just take a look at this. So it is x plus 16 plus x will give you the total length, which is 24.
24.
Getting it?
Yeah.
So 16 plus x is giving you 24. So 16 plus 2x is 24. So 2x is equal to 24 minus 16, which is 8. So x is equal to 8 by 2, which is
4.
4. So that is why x is equal to 4 centimeters. So this is your height is 4 centimeters. Remember. ठीक है?
Oh, okay.
So now area of the vertical trapeziums. Area of vertical means these ones, the one on the left and the one on the right. Area of vertical trapeziums, half into height into sum of parallel sides. So half meaning just half as it is, height is 4, we just now found it, and sum of the parallel sides is 20 plus 28. So this is going to be how much, Hiba?
Um, 96.
Now area of horizontal trapeziums. Half into height into sum of parallel sides. Now can you tell me what is the height and what are the parallel sides when it comes to the horizontal trapeziums?
Um, I think it's 4.
What is 4?
Height.
Height is 4. Good. The reason being, in the question they have told us that the width everywhere is the same. Okay. So height is again 4. And what is A and B?
A is 20 and B is 28.
Bache, which trapeziums are we talking about? Which one are we talking about? We are talking about the horizontal ones.
Oh, sorry, 16 and 24.
I've even colored it for your the ease of understanding it. 16 and 24.
So, oh,
How much?
mm, uh, 80.
Good. Find the area of each section. Okay. So we have found the area of each section. So the area of this one and this one is 96, and the area of this one and this one is 80.
Okay, done.
Done. Okay, then